In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-send emails with Gmail and n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Automating your email outreach can save you time and streamline your communication. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by setting up a trigger in n8n. Open the node panel on your n8n canvas, which is where you'll create your workflow. Now, find and select the Schedule Trigger node. This node will allow you to specify how often your emails will be sent. Inside the trigger rules, you'll see a drop-down labeled Trigger Interval. Here, set it to seconds. For the seconds between triggers value, type in 5 or any other interval that fits your specific automation needs. This means that your system will check every 5 seconds, or whatever time frame you choose, to determine whether it should send an email. Now that we've set the trigger, the next step is to connect your Gmail account. Go ahead and add a new node to your canvas. In the search bar that pops up, type in Gmail and select the option to send a message. This node will handle the actual process of sending your emails. Next, you'll see a section labeled Credential to connect with. Click on Create New Credential. This is where things start getting secure. Choose Sign In with Google. By doing this, you'll authenticate your target Gmail account, allowing n8n to send emails on your behalf securely. Onward to configuring your email. You'll need to fill out some template details in the Gmail node. The first field is To, where you'll enter the recipient's email address. This specifies who will receive the email. Next up is the field labeled Subject. Here, you're going to craft the subject line of your email, something catchy or informative that will grab the recipient's attention. Finally, there's the message box. This is where you can write the main body of your email. Make sure the text is concise and clear, leaving no room for misunderstanding. Once you've filled in all of those details, it's time for a live test. At the top of the node panel, click the Test Step or Execute Step button. This will initiate the process of sending a test email. Keep an eye on the recipient's inbox to confirm that the automated email successfully arrived. Check for it in both primary and other categories, depending on how their email is organized. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a system to send automated emails using n8n and Gmail. With just a few simple steps, you can streamline your email outreach and free up time for other tasks. If you run into any issues, feel free to revisit the steps or drop your questions in the comments below. We love helping you out. Thanks for watching. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.